Hello guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. In this video, I will tell about the specifications of smartphone. Everybody can watch the video. Let's start the video. I will show you the specifications of smartphone. This is Samsung Galaxy F15 5G smartphone. This smartphone is latest. Launch date is the 4th of March 2024. This phone has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. This phone has triple camera and 50 megapixel camera and front camera 12 megapixel. This phone has a AMOLED display. This phone has 6000 mAh battery and 25 watt super fast charger. MRP is 16,999 rupee. The US dollar currency is $204. I basically say that this phone has value of money for you. But this company doesn't provide the adapter. Let's start the unbox. This is so looking nicely. This is C-type charger. This is so looking nicely. This phone has Android 14 version and One UI version is 6.1. I basically say that this smartphone is good, but I recommend that you are medium class family or first class family, you can buy the phone right now. Goodbye, guys.